Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tumbler ready. Rinse with warm water and a drop of mild soap, then inspect the silicone gasket for tears or debris so it seals properly. Once done, preheat the interior with hot water for 5 to 10 minutes for hot drinks, or pre-chill with ice if you plan cold beverages, because the core works better when temperature equalization is reduced. Next, assemble the lid and straw, and test the seal by closing and inverting briefly to confirm no leaks. Now you fill and use the tumbler strategically. Pour slowly and leave about 1 to 2 centimeters of headspace so hot liquids can expand safely, because trapped steam can push the lid. Once filled, choose the right lid option: straw lids for sips, seal lids for long insulation, and remember not to fully seal with carbonated drinks, as pressure builds. Make sure to use a handle or silicone sleeve for very hot contents, and hold near the base when cold to avoid uncomfortable gripping and minimize heat transfer. To finish, empty the tumbler soon after use and rinse within 12 hours to prevent stains and odors. Make sure to hand wash the lid and remove the gasket for cleaning, because dishwashers can warp seals. Once a week, perform a deep clean with a paste of baking soda and water or a denture tablet soaked to remove stubborn smells. If you encounter leaks, troubleshoot by reseating or replacing the silicone gasket, checking for hairline cracks, and confirming the lid threads are aligned and undamaged before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.